Hi guys, today we're going to be making grilled Korean short ribs from this recipe that I have. So stick around and watch this video to get the recipe. You'll need one plastic Tupperware container to marinate the short ribs in, or you can use a plastic Ziploc bag. You'll also need a measuring cup for liquids, and you'll need a tablespoon to measure out some of the ingredients. You'll also need one measuring cup and one knife to chop some of the vegetables, and you'll also need some tongs. Also need a whisk and a large mixing bowl. And you'll also need a glass dish to put the cooked meat in. You'll also need a grill. For ingredients, you'll need 5 pounds of short ribs. You'll need 2 cups of soy sauce, you'll need 1 cup of brown sugar, eight cloves of garlic minced, and you will need 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and you'll need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And you'll need 4 to 8 chopped green onions. You'll combine the soy sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, vegetable oil, sesame oil, garlic, and green onions to the mixing bowl. And then whisk together till everything is combined. Then you're going to take your plastic Tupperware and pour a little bit of the mixture, maybe 1/4 of the mixture, into the Tupperware container. Then place the short ribs in the Tupperware and stack them. And then about halfway through, after stacking some of the short ribs, you'll pour another half of the mixture over the short ribs. Then you'll finish stacking all the short ribs and pour the rest of the mixture on top for it to marinate. Place the lid over the short ribs to close it. Make sure it's all sealed up. Put the short ribs in the fridge and let them marinate overnight.
Approximately 10 hours later.
The next day in the morning, flip over the short ribs and let them to continue to marinate.
The next day.
When you're ready to cook the short ribs, take them out of the fridge and let them get to room temperature like about 2-3 hours before you plan to cook them. Be sure to preheat your grill and oil it before placing the short ribs on for cooking. I let the short ribs cook about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And then place them in a glass dish to let them rest. After you're done grilling all the short ribs, I like to add a few more chopped green onions on top. And now you're ready to eat! I hope you enjoyed this recipe and your friends and family like it too. Bye!